Hey everybody, good morning. Today we're going to answer the question, what risks do I take if I sell my patent rights? I am JD Hoovener, owner, founder, and patent attorney with Bold Patents Law Firm, and I'm the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. I did put a copy of that book right below in the Inventor's Kit, so download that link, hop on and check it out. Also, if you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like the video if you do. If you don't, comment below. Let us know what questions you still have. Love to get to you and answer any questions you've got. So let's get to this question, which is, I think, quite good. If you do sell your patent rights, what risks are there? What's on the other side of that equation? I will start by saying the biggest risk, of course, is you no longer have the rights to make, use, sell, or import that invention into the US. So make sure that as part of that sale contract, you've taken care of any, call it lagging production. Let's say if you already built a number of widgets or products you're going to be selling, or you've got some marketing or some use of that invention still in the commerce, make sure there's a carve out to make sure you're not going to be infringing your own patent that you're selling. I would say another major component to this is when you do a complete sale, that means that you're really, I say, taking a risk, that you're properly valuing the invention and the future value of it. In other words, by licensing your invention, by retaining the rights and getting a royalty on each unit sold, you're a bit more hedging, where you're hedging your bets, in that if the value of your product, if the demand increases and you're able to charge a higher margin, you're going to be able to reap the rewards of that, and maybe also increase the royalty rate over time as the product gains momentum and market demand. However, if an outright sale, you're really negotiating that all up front. And both sides are, of course, going to be pushing back and forth, but that puts more onus on you as the seller to really try to, forecast as best you can the market demand. And that's going to be challenging. And the buyer is not going to have to pay. They're going to be at an advantage here. They're taking the risk that it could decline, right? Market decline. Other competitors come on, they're able to design around your product, and that 20 years turns into maybe only 3 or 4 or 5, and it sunsets really quick for them. And there's no way for them to turn off those royalty payments because it was an outright sale. So there's risks on both sides, but as the inventor, those are two big risks, of course. One is that you do not have the ability to access, use, or sell that product because it's now a part of someone else's ownership. 2 is that if you do offer that sale, that 100% sale, it's immediate. It happens right now in present day, and you've got to do that present day calculation of future value and try to think about how it might perform in the market. So that's why I would urge you to consider licensing as the inventor, as the owner of the patent rights. That way you're able to hedge your bets a bit and gain and reap the benefit of the market gain should you get there. The other cool thing about that is that innovations, they sit on top of each other. Improvements are made following child patent applications. Second, third, and fourth patents are usually filed, especially for successful products. If you license it, well, now you're building a portfolio, which is several patents that really concrete and solidify a specific segment of the market. That's where the real power is. And you can start stacking these patents and creating new addendums to current existing licensing agreements. So without getting too far in the weeds, those are some of the risks and, of course, opportunities at the point of sale when you've got someone interested in your product. So if you have more questions about this, please do click below, get a copy of the Bold Inventors Kit, book a discovery call on our website at boldpatents.com, and comment below. Have a great day, everybody. Go big, go bold.